Okay, so this is the entryway. It has all my books here right now. All of these are my books that I have from teaching and my novels and whatnot. I've not yet built them up. So this is the entryway. I don't know what the hell is going on with this color, theory. It's like a really light gray on the walls, but it's like a beige over here. I don't understand. So my plan is to paint this whole entire beige part charcoal, not black, but like a deep like gray.
Hi everyone, it's Nana here with a little voiceover for this house tour. So a few months ago I came here and I showed you guys my empty apartment, and I just wanted you guys to see what I have done with the place. So all the pillows that you see in this video, I had to do them myself, DIY, because when I first moved into this house, it was not done yet. There was nothing here, which is a very common occurrence in Ghana. Sometimes the landlords will require you to pay a year or two in advance so they could use that to finish the houses for those that are not done yet. So that's exactly what I did, and I'm really glad I did, because I had a little control over how I wanted the place to look. These lights, I got them from a company called Nova Lighting. It is Palace Mall's lighting company. It's on the Spintex Road, so you don't need to import a lot of things into Ghana. You can get them. I like how they're very ambient and they make the place look very warm and nice. This dining set I got a lucky find by the roadside, and also this vase is from Anne Carissa's studio in West Legon, Accra. I got these place cards from an artist in Little Cuba, Miami. I've had them for a very long time, so I like, incorporating things into the color scheme of the house. I had to make somewhere a media corner for all my books and such, and my corner over there was a little boring, so I decided to draw this yellow arch over it. It's very playful. It's not for everybody, but I really like it. I got a lot of accents and home decor pieces also from Malcolm. This is a painting from Puerto Rico in San Juan when I went. It's very important to me that in my space that there not be anything that does not serve a purpose. So that's why I decided to go with the minimal theme on this, even though I incorporated quite a few colors into my house. This box frame was done by my friend. His name is Art of Arm. He is an artist in Ghana. He printed my pictures and put them in these lovely frames. I also have an original piece by him, the 6 Hearts. It's a Lona and it is on sale. If you guys want to purchase it, you can absolutely do that. One of the things I had to do was DIY. So this chair actually is something that I had to do myself. Carpenters and handicraft people in Ghana, they take like years to get your orders to you. So a lot of the all the pots are DIY, a little cement, a little sand, so I can have some plants in my house, and I try my best to keep them alive. Now this room you guys have seen quite a few times, because this is where I film most of my videos. It was important to me that I keep the room very, complementary to my color, you know, and so I just make sure like there are a lot of yellows, a lot of patterns and stripes and just things to create some sort of contrast in the room. I wanted this to be a little more African themed. This is repurposed, you know, palette. This is also by an artist named Geraldo 360. He's a local Ghanaian artist, and there's also a Lona from him. Basket wall, I have a tutorial on it on this channel. You can check it out if you want to see how you can create your own basket wall in your house. The baskets are from Uganda and the middle piece is from northern Ghana, so I just wanted to make sure that things that are sentimental to me are also like in my space. There really isn't a lot of things that are out of space when you're doing minimalism, so what I did was just create a little spot for myself so that I could edit, you know, sit here and write and do all the stuff that I do, creating content, and it's been serving me well. In the kitchen, I got these small mason jars from Decor. Decor in Accra has a lot of things that you could buy and use for your space. It keeps you organized. The baskets are from Dollar Tree, so I had them for a while. This is actually a shoe rack, and I've repurposed it into something for my kitchen because my kitchen is really small. So I decided to do something that will help me, you know, be more organized. I got all my cookware from Malcolm as well. They have very good non-stick, and my appliances are also from Malcolm. Can you tell I shop a lot of Malcolm? So yeah, you don't have to bring appliances to Ghana. I know a lot of people do tend to do that, but if you come to Ghana, you can find a good place in Malcolm for all your, you know, appliances that you use in the house. So this is my space, you guys. I really loved it. It's a 2-bedroom. It's $3,000 a year. In my other room, I actually made it a little minty. My friend is occupying the room, so we will not be showing it, but I added a lot of gold accents to it. The utilities are about maybe $200 a month, $200-300. So it's really small and it's really nice, and I will be moving to a bigger space next year, but just thought I would show you guys the space, see how it was before and what it is now. If you would like to rent an apartment or anything like that, I will leave my agent's number below so you can find you somewhere beautiful just like this. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe, thumbs up, take care.